Factoring quadratics, the single most useful trick in this whole rodeo, and the one lazy folks dodge till it bites 'em. Eyes up! Factoring is just unmultiplying. You take a quadratic like x squared plus 5x plus 6 and break it back into two pieces multiplied together. X plus 2 times x plus 3. That's factoring. Why bother? One reason, the zero product property. Fancy name, dirt simple idea. If two things multiplied together equals 0, then one of them has to be 0. That's the key that cracks every quadratic open. Burn it in. Enough theory. Let's work. Step 1. Always check for a GCF. Something common you can yank out front. 2x squared plus 6x? Both carry a 2x. Pull it out. 2x times x plus 3. Skip this step and you look like a fool 3 lines later. Now the main event, trinomials. X squared plus bx plus c. The whole game. Find two numbers that multiply to c and add to b. That's the magic. X squared plus 7x plus 12. Two numbers multiply to 12, add to 7. 3 and 4. Factors to x plus 3 times x plus 4. If that took you more than 5 seconds, partner, we got work to do. Mind the signs. X squared minus 5x plus 6. Multiply to 6, add to negative 5. Negative 2 and negative 3. So x minus 2 times x minus 3. Mixed signs now. X squared plus x minus 6. Multiply to negative 6, add to 1. 3 and negative 2. X plus 3 times x minus 2. Signs are where the unemployed suckers fall apart. Don't be one of them. Two special cases. Freebies, so memorize them. Difference of squares. Two perfect squares with a minus between. X squared minus 9. That's x plus 3 times x minus 3. Every time. And a perfect square trinomial. X squared plus 6x plus 9, that's just x plus 3 squared. Spot 'em, skip the work. Now we solve, where it all pays off. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Factor. X plus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. Zero product property. Set each piece to 0. X plus 2 equals 0 gives x equals negative 2. X plus 3 equals 0 gives x equals negative 3. Two answers. Done. Again, faster. X squared minus x minus 12 equals 0. Factors to x minus 4 times x plus 3. Set each to 0. X equals 4 or x equals negative 3. That's the whole dang skill, start to finish. Your turn, hotshot. Pause, solve, then I judge ya. Factor x squared plus 8x plus 15. X plus 3 times x plus 5. Multiply to 15, add to 8. Factor x squared minus 16. X plus 4 times x minus 4. Difference of squares. 16's a perfect square. Solve. X squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. Factors to x plus 4 times x minus 2. So x equals negative 4 or 2. Got all three? Maybe you ain't hopeless after all. Missed one? Garbage mine, partner. Run it back. See you down the trail.